Civil emergency message for Charleston County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston Police Department. People across Charleston County have seen Hanazuki and the Hemkas in the Charleston metropolitan area. This is the same crew that put bombs in the state of North Carolina. Authorities advise residents to remain indoors, keep doors and windows locked, and avoid any direct contact with the individuals identified as Hanazuki and the Hemkas. If you observe any suspicious activity, report it immediately to 911. Do not approach or attempt to engage the subjects. Follow any further instructions from local law enforcement and emergency management officials. Stay tuned to local news outlets and official channels for updates. Your cooperation is essential to maintaining public safety.
Immediate evacuation for the state of South Carolina. The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Carolina Emergency Management Agency. An explosion has occurred at the Naval Nuclear Power Trading Unit Station in the city of Goose Creek. All residents within a 250-mile radius of the Naval Nuclear Power Trading Unit Station should evacuate immediately. Gather emergency supplies such as bottled water, non-perishable food items, flashlights, extra batteries, a first aid kit, a battery-powered or hand crank radio, blankets, important personal documents, cash, and any necessary prescription medications. Secure pets and ensure you have a vehicle ready with a full tank of fuel. Follow the designated evacuation routes posted on local signage and avoid areas marked as hazardous. Proceed to the nearest approved shelter or safe location and stay tuned to local news stations and official social media channels for further instructions. Do not return to the affected area until authorities declare it safe.